7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a pair of Chloe shades and a diamond belly ring. On the 7th day of Christmas, my baby gave to me a nice back rub, then he massaged my feet.
Hey guys, I'm high, like so crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Sades. Make sure that you are subscribed, hit that bell notification so that you do not miss an upload. So y'all just woke up. This is what I'm looking, and y'all, I got stuff on my face. So yeah, y'all, my skin is super dry. Y'all know I just put Vaseline around my nose, around like my neck, my ears, because this weather in London is drying me completely out. So it is about 11 a.m. here. I am going to do my nails and my feet. Yeah, I'm going to do my nails and my feet today. Because I'm actually going to a concert when I get back, and I just might not have the time. So I found a really nice nail salon up here that I'm going to be going to today. She told me to come at 2. What time is it? Keep a timestamp. It's now 12:20. Oh, 12:20. So I'm just going to do a quick beat. I'm going to get my coffee. Have a video uploading before I leave, and yeah, I'm not sure if my boyfriend gonna take me because I know he's doing stuff right now, or if I'm just gonna get a taxi there. It's actually a 5-minute drive, 6-minute drive, but y'all know this my mirror, so sorry. If y'all didn't know, I was using Aveeno to moisturize my face. Y'all, the next time I come to London, I'm gonna have my ring light. Okay, so now I'm taking that deep green, the other one, and I'm putting it right here in the outer corners like this. And then I did the same thing over here. I'm just adding a little bit more. And then let me give me a good little blending brush. Give me a good little Morphe blending brush. Where's my good brush? I need like a stand to have these standing up while I'm working. So, y'all, my boyfriend, he's in a clean up mood today. I don't really like the way this one is going. I don't really like that one. What are you plotting on with Sadie's go well? He's plotting on me. What that other little brush? Let me try this. What brush is this? I don't know. Okay. Yo, none of these brushes, nothing is coming out right. Let me try this. Yeah, I think there we go. Let me see, I might add something else to this, but let me finish getting ready, y'all, because my time is winding down, and I'm gonna talk to y'all once I get my coffee and head to the nail shop. Y'all, this is the finishing touch of my makeup. I was rushing because I got a 2 o'clock makeup appointment, and it is now 1:50. So I'm coming out here to get an Uber to the nail shop. It's not far away. It's literally walking distance, but it's just too cold to be trying to walk anywhere in London right now. I wanted to get some coffee. Am I in the right place? I wanted to get some coffee, which the lady, she might still be able to make me some right quick, but it's just too noisy over here today. So let me see. Okay, so y'all, I got my cappuccino. And I'm headed to the nail shop. I'm actually like 5 minutes away to go do my nails and my feet. I seen some reviews and oh my god, I love this building. Y'all, our next place is gonna be so laid out, whether it's in London, Miami, or Atlanta. Me and my boyfriend next spot is gonna be litty. Anyways, yeah, so basically, I seen some reviews on their website. That's what made me choose them, because I looked at all the, nice, because sometimes when you're in a good neighborhood, the nail salons and hair salons isn't the best. Crazy, right? But it's like that. So so yeah, I looked at one of the reviews, and let's see, I think I'm here now. Okay, so guys, this is the nail salon. It is called the Beauty Box. It says nails, waxing, threading, and look, it's so cute. It's so small, and it actually looks bigger on social media though. So I'm here at the Beauty Box. So yeah, I've done my feet and I'm doing my nails. I'm doing like an ombre type of color. Well, yeah, like ombre and coffee type of stuff. So yeah, and I'm listening to Janai. I vlog for YouTube. Yes.
Because in the picture we see the lighting clear. That's why
Okay, got it. Thank you. Okay, so y'all, this is how we start. And also, she started off with a white base, and then she'll put like the pink on top. Y'all know I haven't worn nails, like acrylics, in about a month, so I gave my hands a break. Let me turn this down because I think y'all could hear that's copyright. But yeah, so I'm excited. So yeah, I will show you guys the finishing touch. If you guys want to try this salon, somebody's coming in. If you guys want to try it, it's actually, you guys can see, that's the area. So it's in London. It's called the Beauty Box. So yeah, so I'll show you guys the finishing touch, and y'all can see how it comes out. And yeah, I'm gonna leave their like website stuff somewhere over here. Okay, so y'all, just finished getting my nails done. My nails and my feet done. Ooh, y'all see these nails? They look so pretty. I'm so happy. I'm gonna post like a picture so you guys can actually see. So this is where I am. This is the area. It's actually not. We're actually about a 5-minute drive from here into my boyfriend's neighborhood. So, but this area is a little bit more bougie than my boyfriend's neighborhood. My boyfriend's neighborhood is pretty bougie, but I think this area is a little different. I'm actually gonna come by here and take some pictures tonight, probably. But yeah, so basically, it was really good experience. Who's calling me? Really good experience. I don't know who's this calling me. Let me actually try to pick up 1 second, guys. Good experience. I love my nails. They came out perfect. My feet, I got white toes. So yeah, I'm headed home to go cook dinner for my baby because I know he's hungry, especially after all of this. Is that my taxi? I think that is my taxi. No, it's actually not. Nah, that's not my taxi. Yeah, my taxi is almost here though. We should be coming shortly. Yeah, so I'll show you guys what I cooked for dinner tonight. I'm just cooking something simple, spaghetti bolognese. So I'll show you guys that, and yeah, I think that will probably wrap up this vlog. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys then. So y'all, I'm about to cook spaghetti. So this is the beef. I'm using these noodles. So I got some salt for my noodles. See, I need to use salt and like a little bit of oil. Seasoning for my meat. This is actually all-purpose seasoning. And whatever type of sauce this is. But it should turn out good. I guess this is like how we got, it's called D something. But yeah, so I'm gonna show y'all how I make my spaghetti and my pots. I just cleaned them. I just cleaned the kitchen because I like to have a clean kitchen when I start cooking. So yeah. My meat is cooking. These are boiling. I got them on low because you don't want to cook them too fast. But yeah, so I'll come back once this finished cooking to add my sauce. So my meat is done. This is still cooking, and then I'm gonna give y'all a few tips to check out all my little plastic stuff. So, and then they gotta be harassing by no plate. The food already gonna be ready in here in a little to-go plate. All you gotta do is pop it in the microwave. So just a quick tip, guys.